Hi, what's up guys? This is Dom. This is my first ever video. Just wanted to start sharing my journey along with trading and just give you guys a walkthrough. Been trading since January, so it's been a couple of months. I'm not anything crazy. Haven't been paid out yet. Still working towards that, but yeah, I just want to share what I've been doing. Hopefully some of these tips and tactics can work out for you guys, but let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so over here we are in my take profit trader. I'm actually on an eval right now. This is my third eval. As you can see, I ended the day up 500. Started off with a losing trade, had a couple losses, but then after that built it up. Tried to make sure that I didn't overtrade. That was one of my biggest problems that I've had since being in there. Let me make sure this is closed. And yeah, honestly, I'm pretty happy. 20 trades for the entire session is pretty solid. I want to say I woke up around like 10:40, like 10 o'clock. Wake up, get the coffee together. So my first trade, it was a loss, but then I jumped in here and got a nice little gain for 325. So that one was pretty nice. And yeah, just to kind of break down what you're seeing here, this program here is TRADESBYDOM. These lines are a combination of VWAP and then moving averages, and then I have my delta at the bottom. So this is my chart. This is what it looks like every single day. Excuse me, got the hiccups. Yeah, so from here I expected us to bounce off of the 34 EMA, which is this purple line here, and then the white line is the 34 SMA, and then this yellow line is the 9-day EMA, red is 200, and white is VWAP. So, I came in, thought we were going to reject it. I had a tight stop loss because, I want to make sure that if it does go past that, I don't want to risk it. But honestly, it was a pretty good entry. And then ended up jumping in here at 230. I jumped in at 250. So it was cool. Probably could have held on to it a little bit longer. But, one thing I'm definitely learning is to make sure I take my profits when I can. So try not to stress on it too much. Waited a little bit. Then took a loss, 125. Made it half back. Seen a nice little bounce. I was like, yeah, you know what? This isn't going to hold past this. Got out basically at the 9 EMA. Had a bounce here. So, see, everything was pretty solid. As you can see, apart from my trading view, the EMAs is usually what I'm playing along with the delta. You see here, I was expecting it to bounce, but, I didn't really pay attention to my other confluences, so it was cool. This one here again, thought it was gonna bounce. This yellow line right here, this line at 229, that was the point of control for the day. I'm pretty sure it was still there, but I thought, okay, it's gonna bounce off a point of control. But when you have something close that's gonna be resistance after that, it's not necessarily always the smartest thing. But you see here, it did end up working. So I made back what I lost plus the extra 35. Here, just chasing the trade, same thing, chasing it. This one here, bounced off of that. What is this blue line? I don't even know. Initial bounce. And yeah, after that, I was pretty happy. I actually waited a while because I got up to 510. And then, jumped in thinking it was going to bounce off of it. Lost $60. And then ended up making it back basically with that one. Lost again. 10, 60. This one was nice, 200. Usually I don't like to size up, but sometimes, actually this is 120 because I did 2 contracts. It's only showing one of them. Every so often, like, I'll size up and do 2 if I feel pretty confident about what's going on. But they don't always work out in my favor. But it's just about making sure that you stick to your game plan and then, you feel me? So you see through here, this last trade, was this my last trade? Where'd it go? This one was at 2:03 p.m. So all of this stuff was going on. I wasn't really a big fan of it. So honestly, I just stayed out and I was just waiting. But yeah, no, apart from that, on the chart, Delta, the EMAs, the SMA, initial balance, VWAP. I have a bunch of stuff on here, honestly. But as time has been passing, I've been learning to really start simplifying everything. Why do I have two pivots? Let me take that off. Learning to simplify everything, because the trick to learning your edge is just making sure that you are really just keeping on here what you need, and and just paying attention to that along with what I have on TradingView. I did pretty good. Won 60% of my trades, so pretty happy about that. But yeah, this is again my first video. This is Dom, and I have another one for you right now. So there's 3 companies I trade. Like I said, this is take profit. I'm actually, hold on, let me go back over here. I'm actually 1,100 away from being funded, but I have 2 more trading days, so I have to make sure that I balance everything out and get over the threshold. And I am active right now on their no fee 40 program they got going on right now, which is basically you get 40% off of your eval, and then you don't pay an activation fee. So that's definitely pretty dope. As far as all of the prop firms that I know about, they technically have the cheapest overall. It's the most upfront, but it is the cheapest. So definitely something you probably want to look into. But other than Take Profit Trader, I'm also trading with Apex and Top Step. So I'll also be having these update videos come out for you as well. Like I said, first video, so just trying to get the idea of it. These will get better as I go. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you have any questions, if you want to tap in. What strategies are you guys using? I'll put some links below. Catch you guys in the next one.